Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a simple photo into a dreamy floral cinematic portrait, soft, elegant, and cinematic. And it's all using Google Gemini's brand new Nano Banana tool. It's free, super easy, and the results are just stunning. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can open it to the app. And then just log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on create image, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And then just upload the photo that you want to edit. I recommend using a portrait with good lighting and clear facial features because Nano Banana will work best with sharp, high quality images. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next is the fun part. Let's writing the prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt. I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt or just feel free to tweak the prompt as you like. I will copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste the prompt. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. The portrait has that dreamy golden hour light, subtle floral shadows on the skin, and it has a cinematic mood, almost like an editorial magazine shoot. It feels soft, natural, and artistic without looking fake or overly edited. And okay, that's it. That's how you turn a simple photo into a dreamy floral cinematic portrait using Gemini Nano Banana tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.